Fuck you! It's okay, just a little floor pizza. There was one time when I was in school where there was like a club that was selling their lunch pizza. They like had ordered pizza for some special occasion and they were selling the rest of it for like $1 a slice. And it was like a really good deal. And so I paid, and I got a slice of pizza, and I was really excited, but then I had to go to the bathroom. And so my friend and I went to the bathroom together, and I asked her to hold my slice of pizza while I went to the bathroom. And then while I was in the bathroom, I came back, and then she said, I accidentally dropped your pizza on the floor. Ugh! But then I said, which side did it land on? And she said, I landed on the cheese side. But it was a really good deal, and I couldn't let it go to waste, so I ate it anyways. I ate it anyways. What? It only landed for a few seconds, or like 2 seconds. Let's serve the pizza. Serve the pizza! Serve the pizza! Serve the pizza! I'm ready. I broke this game. This game doesn't like me. We served it! Wow, I think I'm done. I think I'm done here. Okay, it's time to say goodbye now. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching. Good night. Good morning. Have a nice day. Have a nice night. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to Ame. Happy birthday, dear Watson. Happy birthday to me. We gotta make a wish. Teammates, come out and play.